Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick Dipat Aguilar and you are watching Dipat TV. Ladies and gentlemen, broadcasting to you live inside Dipat's Laboratory at Barangay Anonas in the city of Ordaneta in Pangasinan, the Republic of the Philippines. Don Patrick Dipat Aguilar proudly bringing you the penultimate chapter of February 2024 here on Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. So we are now in our last Manic Monday edition of DTL SMC for this month of February 2024. Beginning with our race number 1 for Team Home, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica taking on RT Tareka to start off this festivities here on DTL SMC on Manic Monday evening of February 26, 2024. And in this race number 1, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, RT Tareka at lane 2. I repeat, it's Cosmo Atomica at lane 1 and RT Tareka at lane 2. So, contrasting colors ang kanilang mga fighting lane. So, without further ado, mga kadipat, it's now time to start off our Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference races here with our race number 1 of 6 for Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Ayan. Ayan muna sana. Okay na na sana yun. That's two. Final lap. Yan. Ayos. Ay, paano ba to? Yan. Cosmo Atomica winning our first race for tonight's edition of DTL SMC. And, yan. Yan. Okay. So, Orange Army ulit ang maglaban sa ating race number 2. Puro Orange Army ang mangyayari dito. Possible, yung CMP, baka isa sa Orange Army ang makalaban niya sa ating quarterfinals mamaya. Alright. Blue. Loss for Artitareka, Cosmo 1. Ang ganda na sana ng habulan na yun kung hindi lang umimbang si Hindi lang umimbang si Cosmo. Ay, si Artitareka. Ganda na sana. Alright, race number 2 na tayo right away between Papa Roach and McLaren. Orange Army cars going at it in our race number 2. The first of the possibly many races. O at least 3 pala. The first of at least 3 races dito sa DTL SMC ngayong Lunes. And then this race number 2, it's going to be Papa Roach starting at lane 2 this time, and McLaren will start at lane 1. I repeat, it's McLaren at lane 1, and Papa Roach at lane 2 to start off this race number 2 for Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Last two. Final lap. Oy! Yun, nakakas na kapanalo. Napanalo rin. McLaren winner finally. Nakapanalo na rin. Alright. Ayan, balik sila. Okay. Okay. Yeah, record ko pala muna. Loren, Hiroch, Ross. Okay. Race number 3. Losers bracket. Muna tayo sa race number 3. Papa Roach taking on RT Tareka in our race number 3. Wherein the starting lane of the cars will be Papa Roach this time starting at lane 1. RT Tareka at lane 2. I repeat, it's Papa Roach at lane 1 and RT Tareka starting at lane 2. Alright, race number 3 for Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Satu. Final lap. Oh. Madali lang kasi pag sinalo ko yung mga rear engine, madali lang patayin. Papa Roach winner. Naka-recover doon sa kanyang talo kanina kay McLaren. Alright. So, dito na yan. Dito na rin yung isa. Okay, so lang muna. Zero to si RT Tareka. Pero naging nanatiling matatag. Next race, the Battle of Super FM Cars, Battle of Front Motor Cars will be our race number 4 for Team Home as Cosmo Atomica taking on its former mentor McLaren. So yung teacher versus student ang mangyayari dito sa ating race number 4 wherein Cosmo Atomica will start. Wherein Cosmo Atomica starts at lane 2 and McLaren starts at lane 1. I repeat, McLaren at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2 being their respective starting lanes. In this race, number 4, another battle of Orange Army Cars. Switch on. Ready, set, right. Hinabol. Dito ang lawan. McLaren leading. Cosmo trying to catch up. Oh! Okay, welcome na. So, natulong yung isa na basukan ni Madam Copalt B, yung isa nasigawan ng Tulumi! Ay! Sabayin kayo magpusa! Draw game! Nasigawan ng Tulumi si Cosmo. Derek! Bigla tayong nagpatawaran mga kadipat. Entertainment as usual. Entertainment, syempre. Op. So pwede rin yung si McLaren na lang RT Tareka mauna. Okay. Penultimate race of penultimate race of the group stage for Team Home. It's going to be RT Tareka going up against McLaren. So ayan, palasingan ng takbo yung mangyayari sa ating penultimate race ng ating group stage. And in this race number 5, it's going to be RT Tareka starting at lane 1 and McLaren will start at lane 2. Kanina, lane 1 si McLaren, this time lane 1 naman. Lane 2 naman siya. So, same colors. Same colors yung kanilang mga starting lane. RT Tareka at lane 1, McLaren at lane 2. Alright, the penultimate race for Team Home in the group stage. Switch on. 8, 6, 5. McLaren in the lead. Ganda ng talon. Last lane hanger. Medyo pumapreno siya. Final lap. Okay. McLaren closing out the group stage with a victory over RT Tareka. Alright. Blue pala. Sorry. Los Ketareka. So, R4. H4. H4 si RT Tareka going to the KO stage mamaya. McLaurin. 2-1. Okay. 2 wins, 1 draw. Alright. Final match, final race of Team Home in the group stage will be the battle of our previous rematch from the previous championship race last Run and Gun Wednesday. Itong sina Papa Roach at Cosmo Atomica muli nang maghaharap agad-agad sa ating group stage pa lang. Yan, maghaharap na sila ulit. Alright, in this finals February 21, 2024 finals rematch, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, Papa Roach at lane 2. I repeat, it's Papa Roach at lane 2, Cosmo Atomica at lane 1. Alright, the 6th and final race of Team Home in the group stage. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Hoy, medyo pumayin na si Cosmo. Maloko na. Ay! Bawa kasi ng talon eh. Pangalap. This time, nakabawi si Cosmo. Cosmo Atomica settling the score against Papa Roach. Alright. Okay. Dinig. Alright. So without further ado, tuloy na natin yung ating group stage sa ating DPATS Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Let's start off Team Road's own group stage with the battle between two Super 2 chassis cars, Neon Sara with a new version. Yan. Special thanks pala to Tamiya Changi Online in Malolos, Bulacan and the Quick Hobby Shop for this wonderful Super 2 fluorescent yellow chassis. Ayan, iniliquidate ko lang po yung mga natirang parts ni Neon Sara. Pinalitan ko lang po itong frame na to. Ito pong frame na nandito. So, ang tawag ko na dyan ay Mountain Dew version. Itong si Neon Sara, which will take on MP in our first of the 6 races for Team Road in the group stage. And in this matchup, it's going to be Neon Sara starting at lane 1. And MP starting at lane 2. I repeat, it's lane 1 for Neon Sara, MP at lane 2 as their respective starting lanes to start off their own group stage here in this race number 1 for Team Road. Switch on. Now, ready, set, bye. Neon Sara will start. MP taking the lead back. Now Neon Sara taking the lead back. It's a pizza battle between those two Super 2 cars, orange versus yellow. It's the final lap we go. Let's see who come out on top. Oh! Holy smoke. Gandang laban. Nagkakanta sabit-sabit na si Neon Sara. Malas. Ang ganda na sana. But still, it was a close call. And eventually, MP winning it over Neon Sara. Okay. So, Neon Sara won. Lost pala. MP won. Neon Sara lost. Next. Race number 2 for Team Road. It's going to be the battle of Paniki Tarlac Survivors. Venom taking on Metalder one more time or maybe the last time for this month na maglaban itong dalawang Paniki Survivors po ng inyong lingkod. Yan. Shout out din pala sa Azriel Racing Center in Paniki Tarlac. See you on March 3. May fundraise po dyan sa kanilang shop. So yung lahat ng mga makakatalo, why not join the fun on March 3, 2024? That is the first Sunday of March. Yeah? As we head on ourselves to our summertime, summer season. Yan. For sure, yung mga beaches, maraming nakabikini na naman. Yan. Siyempre, uso na naman ang summer season, sa malamig season, whatever you call it. Alright, in our race number 2, for Team Road is going to be Venom starting at lane 2 and Metalder starting at lane 1. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 2 and Metalder at lane 1 being their respective starting lanes. That is, here in our race number 2, for Team Road, the Battle of Ani Itarlac Survivors. Switch on! Ready, set, start! Venom ahead! Oy! Patay! Muntik na! Final lane changer, Venom! On to the final lap we go! Papaling kupas, grabe. Ayos Venom, winner. Alright. Venom dominating Metalder in style. Parin. Grabe. Gustuin ko yung pwede pala kahit stock motor lang, no? So yung Mountain Dew at saka Red and Blue magkalaban sa ating race number 3. Venom 1. Next. In our race number 3 of the 6 races for Team Road, it's going to be Neon Sara taking on Metalder in our race number 3, wherein the starting lane of the cars will be Neon Sara at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2 this time. So it's going to be this time Metalder at lane 2, Neon Sara at lane 1. Alright, race number 3 for Team Road. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay, patay na basuka. Final lane changer, Metalder. Final lap. Laser arm! Laser arm! Pag ganun na yan. Laser arm! Patay! Metalder, winner! Alright! Laser arm! Laser arm! Talag! Ano naman ito? Laser arm. Melag. Laser arm. Yan, pag nananalo si Metalder, laser arm. Napasukan ni Madam Cobalt ni si Neon Sara Shoutout pala to my ultimate crush and my ultimate love of my life, Myrtle Sarosa. I love you so much as always. Always and forever. Nagimasa. Napasukan ni Madam Cobalt, sumama pa si Madam Porciatera. Sumabay pa ng barilan si Madam Porcia. Alright. Race number 4 will feature Venom taking on MP, and our race number 4 of 6 for Team Road in the group stage. Another battle of Super 2 chassis cars here, wherein the starting lane for the cars will be Venom at lane 2, MP at lane 1. So contrasting colors ang kanilang mga starting lanes. Venom at lane 2, MP at lane 1. It's blue versus orange here. in our race number 4 for Team Road. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Oy! Nag-no-drive. Atay, naiwanan. Okay, cancel. Last one. Bumamli, kaya lang kasi ito, buti hindi pa hit. Final lock na yan. Walang hit yun, walang hit. Oh, no hit. There was no hit kasi medyo malayo pa yung agwat ni ano eh. May distansya pa naman si Venom at MP nung nag-change lane si Venom. So, okay lang. Play on pa rin yun. No hit involved. There was no hit. Change lane kay Venom. MP winner. Alright. Yan, o sakto. Venom Neon Sara next. Ganun. Yun eh. Okay, ganun. Nang naminto. Ano ba yun? Kaya yun. Okay. So, no hit, 2-0 si MP. Venom split. Agawan sa first win yung dalawa eh. So, MP remaining unbeaten. Alright. Penultimate race of Team Road. It's going to be Venom taking on Neon Sara. Ay, liktad. Sorry. Venom versus Neon Sara for their penultimate assignment for Team Road. And in this, at least, final battle for Super 2 cars. Last na talaga. Kasi tatlo lang yung Super 2 involved. Last battle of Super 2 cars is going to be Venom starting at lane 1, Neon Sara at lane 2. So this time, lane 1 naman ang starting lane ni Venom, Neon Sara this time starting at lane 1. It's Pepsi versus Mountain Dew. So, parang Pepsi versus Mountain Dew pala ang magiging labanan natin sa ating penultimate race ng Team Road in the group stage. So, it's... labanan pala ito ng mga soft drinks eh. Ready, set, bye! Venom was just too much. Alright. Tapos na. Winner. Venom wins. Panalo na si Venom. Hindi ko na nasalo. Sorry about that. Hindi ko na nasalo. Tumatanda na pong lolo nyo eh. Kawanin. Lakayin nga talagang. Narag. Venom closing out this group stage rather. Venom closing out this group stage for Team Road with a victory over Neon Sara. So Neon Sara will enter the group, the knockout stage as R4. So siya yung official pulilat dito sa Team Road. So siya yung R4, siya yung lalaban ka doon sa mananalo sa tiebreaker phase mamaya. Finally, but not the least, the last battle for group stage for Team Road, MP taking on Metalder. Yan. Yung mga na-feature natin yan sa random vlog na, The Emperor Refine, sila yung magkalaban sa ating final race ng Team Road. And in this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 2, and Metalder will start at lane 1. I repeat, it's MP at lane 2 and Metalder at lane 1 being their respective starting lanes in the 6th and final race for Team Road in the group stage. Switch on. Magandang laban to. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Nagtokat natin eh. Good. Kaya lang. Sweeping. It's a clean sweep for MPay to close out their group stage for Team Road, as MPay will enter as the top seeded car for Team Road, going to the KO stage with an unblemished 3-0-0. So yung tiebreaker pace na lang yung issue natin for the meantime. Okay. So, moving on with our tiebreaker pace, yung isesettle lang muna natin yung labanan ni na Cosmo Atomica at ni McLaren for team, what do you call this? Team Home. Yan lang yung issue natin, yung team home between Cosmo Atomica and McLaren. So, short tiebreaker pace lang muna tayo mga kadipat before going to our KO stage tonight. And in this tiebreaker pace, so, ano ba, pang ilang battle ba siya, no? Pang-apat. Pang-apat. So, lane 2 si Cosmo, lane 1 si McLaren. Therefore, palit sila ngayon. So, Cosmo at lane 1, McLaren at lane 2. Change, ano sila, switch lane sila. Last man standing concept applied when doing the tiebreaker pace. So, kahit hindi pa tapos ang 6 lap, basta may umembang, talo na. Lower seat na yung Maki. So, battle 4, yung lower seat yung kanya. Kung sino mang umembang, lower seat na yun. Alright, tiebreaker pace. That's a short tiebreaker pace, that is. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ganda laban ah. Can McLaren hold on to the lead? Let's see the final lap. McLaren. It's going to be McLaren being the top seeded car for Team Home. Okay, so nasettle na yung Team Home. At the end of the KO stage, at the end of our group stage for tonight's action here on DTL SMC on a Manic Monday evening, meron na tayong result ng ating mga group stage standings. So after that tiebreaker pace between McLaren and Cosmo Atomica, it went out to be McLaren being on top of the car standings for Team Home, entering the KO stage as H1, Cosmo Atomica as H2, Papa Roach as H3, and H4 will be RT Tareca with the winless record. So yun yung yung seeding natin going to the KO stage. Against, yan, sa Team Road naman, it's going to be MPay being the top seeded car for Team Road, R1 with an unblemished 3-0-0. Then Venom 2-1, 2 wins 1 loss. Walang tabla, walang nagtabla dun sa Team Road. Venom number 2, R2, R3 will be Metalder, and Neon Sara will be R4. So yung mga matchup po natin, McLaren versus Neon Sara for H1 versus R4. H2 versus R3 will be Cosmo Atomica taking on Metalder, Papa Roach versus Venom as H3 versus R2 respectively, and H4 versus R1 will be RT Tareca versus MPay respectively. The Palagar still here bringing you more Tamiya Mini Forward Drive Racing action here. This time it's now in the KO stage. We'll start off with our quarterfinals round. To start off this quarterfinals round, it's going to be the third seeded car, Papa Roach, for Team Home, taking on the second seeded car for Team Road, Venom. So again, yung mga naglaban sa semi, sila naman uli ang muling magtatapat this time sa quarterfinals na agad, mas maaga. So in our quarterfinals number 1 for our KO stage tonight, it's going to be Papa Roach starting at lane 2. Yes, Papa Roach will be starting at lane 2. And Venom will be starting at lane 1. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 1 and Papa Roach at lane 2 being the respective starting lanes. Yan. Okay? Talaga pwede na tayong mag-adjust ngayon dito between Venom and knockout stage. Kasi it's now or never na to eh. Win or go home situation na to. One miss you die. One miss you die na to. Do or die na every race. Pero against opponent from a different group or from a opposite end. Talagang contrasting battle. Crossover kasi ang quarters at semis po natin. Tapos bahala na yung race for third at championship. Pwede rin pareho. Doon lang naman magkakataon sa crossover. Alright mga kadipat, we are now in our knockout stage of our Manic Monday evening edition of DTL SMC. To start off this KO stage, here is our quarterfinals. Number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Paparot sa head. Venom, pinipin back. Paparot, umabot pa rin. Final instinct yung paparot. Let's see if Venom may haka. At the final episode, let's see who will bring home the bacon. Oh man! What a close encounter to start off our knockout stage here on DTL SMC for this Manic Monday evening. Mga kadipat, ibang klaseng labanan, palitan na naman. But in the last 2 laps, Papa Roach was able to gain the upper hand, and unfortunately for Venom, this is the first time that Venom will be booted out early in our KO stage. So, sa wakas, mapapahinga na rin. So, after 3 weeks of racing, first time ni Venom na makasibak ng maaga, and it's going to be Papa Roach, which will return to the semifinals round. What an upset again by Papa Roach. Knocking out Venom once again. Holy smoke. Kasi nung Wednesday, sila ng semis na knockout din niya eh. Nasibak din nito sa semis. This time sa quarters, sinibak na ng maaga. So, unfortunately for Venom, final score na niya will be 13. But nevertheless, isa siya sa mga co-champions of the month. So, may pag-asa ngayon si Papa Roach na tablahin siya dun sa Champion of the Month honor this month. Malalaman natin yan sa Miyerkules to formalize their final standings. Yan. Okay. So, unfortunately, si Venom nasibak ng maaga. More. Malas ni Venom, nasibak ng maaga. Gagamba, sinibak ng ipis, aray ko po. Pero nakapunan na ng maaga eh. Kaya maski makapag-champion pa si Papa Roach ng 6 points, 5 points lang siya. Kulang na. Kaya hindi na maabutan yan kahit matanggal pa siya maaga. Nothing to lose si Venom. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. Alright. So we'll now proceed right away with our quarterfinals. Number 2 is going to be Cosmo Atomica, the second-seeded car from Team Home, taking on the third-seeded car Metalder for Team Road. In this quarterfinals number 2 between Cosmo Atomica and Metalder, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2, Metalder at lane 1. I repeat, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica at lane 2 and Metalder at lane 1 being their respective starting lanes. Alright. Balas ni Venom. Bahala si Venom, kaya lang maaga na nakapunan eh. Malaking bagay yung unang 5 final stage niya eh. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 siya. Dragon's Breath activate. Dolog. Alright mga kadipat, let's brace ourselves now for our quarterfinals. Number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ooh! Really, support. Aray kupu. Aray kupu. Relays agad. Wala pang isang lap, re-race agad. Gusto ko pineapple bayan. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Ito rin, isa. Alright. First of two restarts here in this QF2. Ready, set, bye. Ay, patay. Final finger. Oh, final na. Good pa yan. Last man standing. Last man standing. Last man standing. Durog. Last man standing. Last man standing. Tapos na sana kay Cosmo eh. Minalas pa. Ano kaya yun? Yay! Talaga. Kala mo naman seryoso maglaro eh. Alright, final restart for our quarterfinals number 6. Ay, harap tayo. Ready, set, bye. Good. Okay, winner. That's it. And that's it. Pamati, si Metalder, na laser arm. Na laser arm. Nag-backfire yung laser arm. And unfortunately, Metalder will be booted out for this match. So this will be the last chance for Metalder to score any aggregate points. So unfortunately, si Metalder, final score niya ay Bokya. Bokya siya buong buwan ng February 2024. So, yung mga paniki survivors, makagang nasibak. Opo. Si Venom nasibak din, natapat pa sa malakas. Natapat kay Papa Roach, talagang sakalam. Papa Roach lang ang sakalam. And it's going to be Cosmo Atomica renewing their rivalry against Papa Roach in the semifinals round. So sila ni Papa Roach ang magkalaban sa ating semis round. So battle of yung rematch ng nakaraang championship race ng Miyerkules, rematch na ulit sila sa semifinals pa lang. So yun yung mangyayari mamaya. Alright. Teka, inom muna ako ng tubig. Medyo nag-dry mouth na ako. Okay. Ay, sorry. Quarterfinals number 3 na po tayo, finally. Yan. Quarterfinals number 3 will be McLaren, the top-seeded car from Team Home, taking on the Kulelat from Team Road, Neon Sara. So, ano na to? Royal True Orange, kalaban ang Mountain Dew. Ay, ano ba yung orange dun na Mirinda, no? Ay, tama. Mirinda versus Mountain Dew o kaya naman Royal True Orange versus Sparkle. Laban na lang mga soft drinks na naman yung ating quarterfinals. Nagpatawa lang po yung inyong lingkod, ha? For entertainment. For your entertainment, mga katipat, ha? Nagbigay pa ako ng bunot. Ay, nagpugot, eh. Alright, so kidding aside, mga katipat, in our quarterfinals number 3, McLaren versus Neon Sara is the matchup. It's going to be yung H1 versus R4 ito. So in this matchup, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 1. Neon Sara at lane 2. I repeat, it's Neon Sara at lane 2, McLaurin at lane 1 to start off this QF3. Right. Masig patuloy yung mantika. Aray ko po. Sos Mariosep. Agi. Ay, Agi. Alright mga kaalipan, let's get ready to rumble here in this battle of soft drinks. Battle of soft drink cars in this race. Quarterfinals number 3. Switch on. Ready, set. Ay, sorry. One minute. Sorry. Ito na lang. Ready, set, bye. Mountain Dew naman. Hinabol ng Royal Orange. Final lap. Left it. Oh! What a close call mga kadipak. So battle toe to toe, fighting tooth and nail ang dalawang auto. Grabe yung palitan ng lamang na yun. Pero pagdating ng last two, talagang sinigi na ni McLaurin. Yun nga lang. Talagang sinigi na ni McLaurin. Talagang sinibak. Pero grabe, epic battle din yun ha. Epic battle din yun. Sino mong nanalo na. So, but unfortunately for Neon Sara, si Neon Sara masisibak ngayong gabing ito. So, last chance na rin kay Neon Sara. So, Neon Sara won't be able to score any aggregate point for this month of February 2024. Last chance na niya ngayon. So, hindi na siya makakabalik. So, makabalik man yan, new layout. Nailalatag natin. Ipopost din natin yan soon kung sakali. And it's going to be McLaurin moving on to the semifinals round after ousting Neon Sara in our quarterfinal round. Ibang klase. Grabe. Pero ibang klase yun ha. We have to give credit to Neon Sara for putting up a good show here on DTL SMC. Still proud. Nakaka-proud pa rin. Somehow. Hopefully nga pagdating sa mga races either sa Paniki or sa La Union, okay pa. Maging mas okay pa. Yun, grabe yung palitan na lamang eh. Medyo natisod lang kasi si Neon Sara yun eh. Grabe yun. Grabe yung laban na yun. Wow. Finally but not the least, our quarterfinals number 4 will feature MP, the top-seeded car from Team Roll going up against the Kulelat of Team Home, RT Tereka. Once again, sila ulit ang magkalaban sa ating quarterfinals. Pero tingnan natin kung makakapawi si MP this time against RT Tereka. And in this quarterfinals number 4, it's R1 versus H4. It's going to be RT Tereka starting at lane 1, MP at lane 2. So ano yan, yung same color. Same color yung kanilang starting lane. MP at lane 2, RT Tereka at lane 1. Ayusin ko yung down toss niya. But I have to be more careful with this. Hindi, yung isa. Ipang ko rin. Alright mga kadipag, let's get ready to rumble here in this quarterfinals number 4. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Oh! Okay. 3 days pa more. 3 race pa more or 3 race. Re-race po tayo sa ating QF4. Sumabit si MP, nag-sideshow. Malas nga lang. Kailangan na takong down toss, ha? Yan. 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 Pwede na kasi yung mga adjustments pag knock-out stage. Sa ano naman, sa group stage, bitaw ka na ng bitaw. Alright mga kalipat, first of two restarts in our QF4. Ready, set, right. Good. Slide to lang. Wala. Last two, Artitareka. Oh, last man standing. Tumambing sa kabila. Nag-over na bakon. Bumalimbing ng lane. Bumalimbing ng lane si Artitareka. Malas. Last man. Last man standing. Last man standing. Dati sinisigaw ko dati yun. Kaya lang medyo tumatanda ng dulo nyo. Kaya medyo mahina na. So, kailangan ayusin mabuti. Kailangan maghinay-hinay. Alright. Gamay lang dapat gamay. Tapos ito rin. Yan. Alright, final restart in our quarterfinals 4. Ready, set, bye. Okay, game over. MP out. So, na-sweep. So, this is the first time na-sweep ang ating, na-sweep. Sweep yung ating, sweep yung ating, this is the first time actually sa DTL SNC na ang team home masisweep ang podium finish. So, mawa 1, 2, 3 ng team home mawa 1, 2, 3 ng team home, masisweep nila yung magkakaroon ng 1, 2, 3 sweep for team home as MP will be the final team road that will be booted out. So lahat ng team road booted out po, sibak sa ating semi-final sa ating quarter-final duel. At ang mauusad sa semi-finals round ay itong mga huling papasok ay si Artitareka going into the semi-finals round. So all team home. All team home, yung team bahay po, ang lahat ng team bahay pasok sa semifinals round, sinweep ang team road. So we will have a 1, 2, 3 sweep. A 1, 2, 3 sweep for team home tonight on DTL SMC. Ibang klase. Grabe, what an unfortunate turn of events for team road. Grabe. Managbabain. Oh, go. Pabalang arap ang paro. Alright mga kadipat, so without further ado, we'll now proceed with our semi-finals round. Again, puro team home na itong maglalaban sa ating semis round. So ano na to? So madali na to. 2-3. 2-3 tsaka 1-4 lang. Okay. Semi-finals number 1 will feature Cosmo Atomica taking on Papa Roach, a rematch from the previous championship race. This time, rematch na sila agad dito sa ating semi-finals round. Unfortunate lang, sipak yung team road. Walis lahat ng lineup. Diyos ka po, sino ba nag-top 2? MP Venom ata R2, R1, Venom, MP. So, si may isa pa palang dyan si MP. Setsu lang at Mary yung kasama nila sa last match on Wednesday. Tapos, yung magre-race for third dito, yung mapapasok sa race for third, papalitan niyo ng Archer Merkel at ni Polaris. Papalit sa Archer Merkel at si Polaris yan. No? O sila pa rin. Pwedeng sila na rin, ano? O tama, pwedeng sila na rin. Ay, hindi. Hindi, ganun pa rin. Yung top 2, basta yung makakapasok sa championship race, yun na, yun yung babalik sa Wednesday. Pero yung kasama na nila, si Polaris at Archer Merkel. So, yung mga matatalo dito sa semifinals round, malalagay sa race for third, last chance. Oh, that's the last chance. Yan na yung huling pagkakataon. Kasi yung bottom 2, pinapalitan both teams. Pareho, team home, papalitan yung bottom 2. O, yung mga ulirat na dalawa at the end of race day, papalitan. Yun ang rules natin dito sa group stage. There are actually 6 per group. So, unang 4, pasok. O, pag may nangulirat na dalawa, papalitan yung dalawa pa. And so on and so forth hanggang matapos. Ganon. Tapos carry over sa next race yan sa SMC. On March, which will conclude on March. Conclude natin itong SMC on March. Then, mag-prepare na tayo for our continuation of DTL Season 4. Yung regular. Hopefully nga lang, matuloy na natin yung DTL S4. Alright. So, in our semifinals number 1, it's going to be Battle of Orange Army Cars, a rematch from the previous finals round nung nakaraang Merkules, itong semis 1 natin. So, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, Papa Roach at lane 2. I repeat, it's Cosmo Atomica at lane 1 and Papa Roach starting at lane 2. Alright mga kalipat, once again, you're still watching DTL SLC on the Manic Monday evening of February 26, 2024, and we are now in our semifinals of the KO stage. That will be, then let's start this right away with our semifinals number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, right. Lalo na ko dito lang. Apay! Sinoko! Patok! Pagod! Final lap! Aray! Easy peasy! Durug! Easy peasy! Easy Pansit Canton. Easy Pansit Canton. Diyos ka po. And it's going to be Cosmo Atomica returning to the championship race after hosting Papa Roach. So, si Papa Roach, yun na yung last chance niya. Kung sakali. Yung race for third, yun na yung magiging swan song niya for the month of February 2024. So, Cosmo Atomica moving on to the championship race this time after dethroning the erstwhile champion from the previous race day, Papa Roach. Ousted na siya from the throne. Unfortunately for Papa Roach was ousted from the championship throne. Alright, let's move on with our semifinals number 2 for tonight's Manic Monday action. It's going to be the top-seeded McLaren taking on the Kulelat of Team Home. RT Torreca, so it's a 1 versus 4 matchup. All team home to, so 1, 2, 3 sweep ang mangyayari for team home. All dominated by team home. Pero kung sakali may malagay sa race quarter, papalitan na yun ng Archer Merkel at Polaris. Okay, so in our semifinals number 2, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 2, RT Torreca at lane 1. So yung mga colors nila, yun din yung starting lane nila. McLaren at lane 2 being the red, and RT Torreca starting at lane 1 being blue. Yung blue kasi lane 1, ang red is lane 2. Kung may kulay, kung dark color, lane 1. Kung red, yellow, orange, white, type pink, lane 2. Pero depende sa bututan kasi. No? It's just a matter of preference anyway. It's just my matter of preference here. Alright mga kalipat, without further ado, it's now time for our semi-finals. Number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Uy, patay. And Artita Reka, hold on to the lead. Let's see at the last two laps. Final up. KO. Wow, what a victory. What an upset mga kalipat. Wow. What an upset. Man. Man. What an upset mga kalipat. Wow. And it's going to be Artita Reka. Wow, it's going to be Artita Reka going to the championship race. So it's the first time for this month of February 2024 for both Cosmo Atomica and Artita Reka to enter the championship race for tonight's Manic Monday edition here on DTL SNC. First time this month, makakapag-championship race silang dalawa. Right after this race for them. So unfortunately, sina Papa Roach at McLaren papalitan. So, sina Cosmo at Artita Reka ang babalik for Wednesday to close out our festivities on February, on our month of love, yan, sa track layout na yan. Okay. So, we are now in our race for third. Yan. Ito na ating race for third. So, it's going to be McLaren taking on Papa Roach. 1 versus 3 yung mangyayari dito sa ating race for third, wherein McLaren will start at lane 1 this time and Papa Roach will start at lane 3. Again, lane 2 ang starting lane ni Papa Roach na naman. So it's McLaren at lane 1 and Papa Roach at lane 2 to start off this race for third. Okay. So papalitan na silang dalawa ni Archera Merkel at ni Polaris. Yun yung babalik to close out yung group stage. Palagi ko sa March, ano na lang ito, 8. Puro 8 na lang siguro yung maglalaban-laban. 8. Tapos, one at a time. Lahat ng team home, papasok. Tapos, kung sino yung magpipil-in, kung sino sa team road ang available, ipipil-in na lang. Parang ganun mangyayari. Now, alright mga kalipat, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third this Manic Monday evening here on DTL SMC. First to 6, switch on. Race and 5. Uy, patay! Relays, pabo, aray, kuko. Aray, kupo! Pareho nagsimulang paspas eh. Ayun, ang nangyari. Bogodorong gang, burumbang gang, galeng, galeng, galeng. Darag. Ginom mo na ang tubig. Juice pala, sorry. Alright, first of 2 restarts in our race for third. Ready, set, bye. Paparot ahead. Lane leader. Final lap, let's see. KO, winner. Si Bak. Pareho rin lang si Bak. Pero at least may uuwing 1 point si Papa Ross. And Paparazzi will secure another third place finish to close out this Manic Monday evening here on DTL SMC with a third place finish. So, dito na siya ilalagay sa podium plate. Yung in between dito, yun yung podium plate. Pwede rin, dito na lang. Pwede rin, dito na lang. Yan. Okay. Nakatama ba silaw? Good. Nice. Okay. Alright, finally but not the least, to close out our Monday edition of DTL SMC, we'll now have our championship race, the much-awaited championship race between two first-timers this month of February 2024, between Cosmo Atomica and RT Tareka. It's 2 versus 4, both from Team Home. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2. And RT Tareka will start at lane 1. I repeat, it's Cosmo Atomica at lane 2 and RT Tareka at lane 1. So, yung colors nila, yun din ang starting lane nila. 1 is the blue one, yung kulay blue, lane 1. Ang kulay red is lane 2. Pag may nilagay ako dyan na description dyan, pag pin-upload sa YouTube, may mga ano yan, description. So, pag mayroong kulay blue, ibig sabihin, lane 1 siya. Kung kulay, kung kulay red o pula, magiging ano yan, lane 2. Sa atin din yan, lane 2. Understood. Para madaling maintindihan, identified by color siya. Grabe. Dragon's Breath activate. Grabe na. Magandang laban to. Alright mga kabipa, to culminate our festivities here on our Manic Monday edition here on DTL SMC, here now is our championship race for tonight, first to 6 laps. Switch on. Ready, set, right. Okay, speed, game over. Tapos ang boxing. 1 lap pa lang, tapos ang boxing. We don't need the finish the lap requirement. Doon pala sa championship race. Uwi na, may nanalo na. And that's it. And that should do it for our championship race. Dahil pag mayroong mga hit po na ganon, hindi na natin kailangan tapusin yun. May outright winner na po tayo. Wala na pong re-race. Basta pag nagkatamaan po, all throughout to, basta stock motor conference, all throughout, pag nagkatamaan, automatic, wala na. Tapos ng laban. Tapos ng laban. Lumamon pa eh. So, mga kalibat, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica being the new champion for DTL SMC, the 5th actually. Kung di ako nagkakamali, si Venom, Setsuna, tapos Venom, tapos Archera Myrtle, and then now, then Papa Roach, and the 5th one will be Cosmo Atomica, securing a championship. So, 3. So plus 3 on aggregate, magiging 7 points na si Cosmo. Si Papa Roach plus 1, 6 points, 1 point lamang ni Cosmo Atomica kay Papa Roach. So, meron pang isang race na natitira on Wednesday. Wala na. Wala na. There's no way palang makakaano pala si Papa Roach. There's no way na makabalik pa si Papa Roach pala. Our final results of our Manic Monday edition tonight on DTL SMC, with Cosmo Atomica being crowned the new champion for tonight's edition of DTL SMC. Congratulations, making it a total of 7 points on aggregate. So nilampasan na niya si Archera Myrtle by 1 point. 7 against 6. Ngayon, yung si Papa Roach plus 1, 5 points na siya. Naging naging tabla. 3 third place finishes, isang championship. Tabla sila ni Archera Myrtle with 6. And second place will be RT Tareka, finally gaining 2 aggregate points this month of February 2024. So, better late than never para rito kay RT Tareka. So, kahit patapos na yung ating aggregate scoring this month, matatapos na to sa Miyerkules actually, yung ating scoring month. At last na nun for this track layout. So, sa susunod na buwan, ibang layout na naman po yung diskarte natin. So, ibang diskarte na naman gagawin natin. No? Alright. So, RT Tareca being second placer for tonight's edition. And Paparot securing a third place finish. Yan. And adding 1 aggregate points on its total this month. So, yung after this race, so 13 kay Venom, still holding to the lead. Yun na nga talaga. Talagang siya na yung magiging siya na yung magiging champion of the month. Pero tingnan natin sa darating na Miyerkules kung sino yung magiging isa pang champion of the month from Team Home this time. So it's up to Cosmo Atomica to finish it, to close out this month of February being the champion of the month once again. So dalawa pa lang. So sila pa lang ni Venom ang naging champion of the month. September si Cosmo Atomica, tsaka si Venom din pala, sila rin, no? Tapos nung October, si Venom naman yung solo na champion of the month. Pero pagdating ng March, ano na yan, siguro 8 at a time. 8 at a time na mangyayari po dyan. Yan. So, Cosmo with 7, RT Tareca 2, and the 8 car with at least 1 aggregate point. Si RT Tareca pa rin sumunod na nagkapuntos. And then si Papa Roach, plus 1, tabla sila ni Archela Myrtle at 6 apiece. So, yun po yung nangyari. Alright. So, that will do it for our penultimate race day here on DTL SMC this month of February 2024. February 26, 2024, a manic Monday evening of Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing action has passed once more. And this has been yours truly, Don Patrick D. Penregular, signing off for now from Deepat's Laboratory at Barangay Ananas in the city of Ordinera in Pangasinan. And thank you so much for all who watch and whoever will watch anytime here on DTL SMC every Monday and Wednesday at 6 p.m. sharp, live on my Facebook page, Deepat's Tamiya League. And also simultaneous yan over Deepat Aguilar and Don Patrick Misolas Aguilar. Alright, so mga kadipat, I leave you with a constant reminder, stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, especially drugs and all other negativities and toxicity around you, and protect yourself from all those negativities at all times and at all costs as well. Once again, this has been Don Patrick D. Penregular, leaving you a pleasant Monday evening, isang mapagpalang Lunes, malinis ng gabi sa inyo pong lahat. And as always, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. Once again, lagi po natin paalala, mahalin po natin ng Pilipinas, lalo't patungo na tayo sa ating bagong Pilipinas. At sama-sama po tayo bumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. Isigaw na malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso, taas noo, kahit kanino. Once again, this has been another presentation of another exciting Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing action here on Deepat's Tamiya League. This time for Stock Motor Conference. And once again, this has been Don Patrick D. Penregular saying, Shukran and Tusentak for watching. God bless everyone.